Today I'll show you how to make chicken pesto pasta. I'll start by making homemade pesto, for which you will need fresh basil, pine nuts, olive oil, parmesan and garlic. Start by toasting your pine nuts in the pan, then crush your garlic and chop it. I also chop my basil into chunks. It kind of makes it easier to blend it. Blend your pine nuts and garlic first, and then add everything else in the blender and let it spin for a bit. You will see it become bright green and smooth. Once you got that done, you can move to the second stage, for which you will need some chicken, thyme, garlic, butter, parmesan, your homemade pesto, onion, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, and of course the pasta itself. I usually start with getting the water for the pasta on the heat and add some salt in the water as well. In the meantime, I will get my chicken ready, slice it into chunks. For seasoning, I usually use some salt, black pepper, dry oregano, dry basil, some ginger, and dry paprika. I'm going to cook my chicken with butter. You can use oil if you want to. Add your thyme and a clove of garlic together with the chicken for some extra flavors, and make sure it's evenly cooked. Once your water is boiling, get your pasta cooking. At this point, you want to chop your onion, mushrooms, and slice your cherry tomatoes in half. Put your onions in the pan, add some oil, and let them cook on a medium heat. Once they caramelized and softened up, get your mushrooms in the pan. Add some oil if needed and let them cook until you see that the mushrooms are ready. Then add your cherry tomatoes and leave it on low heat or turn the heat off. When your pasta is ready, strain it and use the same pan to mix in your vegetables and chicken together with your homemade pesto. Once it's mixed, get your pasta on the plate, add some parmesan and fresh basil on the top, and enjoy your food. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.